Play is the highest form of research by Albert Einstein. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riana Anaïs back again with another video. So today I wanted to share something with you on this channel that I've been wanting to share with you guys for months now. It is her nursery tour. The reason why I wanted to share it with you guys today is because we're moving. We are moving to a totally different house, totally different city. I wanted to get this nursery on film. This is where the home where we brought her to after she was born. This is the room where she learned how to sleep alone. This is the rocking chair in the room where we nurse all the time. So it's a very, very important space to me. If you're new to this channel, you may not know, while I was pregnant with Gianna, I got cholestasis and I had to have an emergency induction. So she came 3 weeks early. I hadn't finished her nursery. It wasn't even painted. So it definitely left me behind right at the beginning. Now having a child, having my hands full all the time, there's a lot of little details that I just didn't get to. But I'm still happy to share this space with you guys. I hope you guys find some inspiration if you're looking for ideas for a baby girl nursery. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get right into the tour. Wanted this room to be extra feminine, extra goddess-like. Her changing table is actually a dresser. I wanted something that would grow up with her. The changing mat I got from Amazon, as well as the cover, which I love. It's such a cute floral print, and I just love a big fancy floral print. This gorgeous little wipes case that my sister-in-law made me, as well as the Aveeno baby lotion that we use all the time, and that's pretty much all we need up there. The diapers are actually inside the top drawer of the dresser. The distressed gray mirror we got from Kirkland's for about $39. Gorgeous tufted high back chair I actually got from Amazon. It looks like Pottery Barn, and that is what I was going for. I'm so glad I found this chair. It was less than 400 bucks, again from Amazon. It does rock and it's very comfy. The high back is perfect for me. I'm 5'9". This added a cozy little throw, and of course our boppy pillow. And this is the perfect space for breastfeeding. I love adding a touch of glamour to her room. So I love this crystal lamp and Art Deco frame that I got from Tuesday Morning. And I put one of Gianna's sonogram pictures on the frame, and I just love looking at this. I can't believe that she was that tiny at one time. This is our white noise machine. We use this all the time for every nap and for nighttime. It's by Homedics, and I think it was about $79. The blackout curtains we also got from Amazon. I highly recommend these. They're so soft and velvety, and they really, really work to black out the sunlight. The finials I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love, again, a touch of crystal and glamour without being too over the top. Nightstand was a hand-me-down from our guest room. It fits perfectly in this space. This is probably my favorite part of the space, a little mini art gallery that I created for her. This was a piece created by my friend Arts Barbie. I'll drop her link below. She has a YouTube channel and an IG. She created this piece before we even knew if Gianna was a girl or a boy, and I just love it. I had to add it to her room. I also have a black Madonna, a G for Gianna, of course, a Murakami print, a Basquiat print, one of my favorite quotes, and a very whimsical balloon. Of course, these are not real prints. These are just things I printed offline for her. I wanted her to be inspired by high art and divine femininity, and I really, really think this mini art gallery did the trick. You can actually find this trolley on my baby hacks video. It used to be filled with baby essentials, but now it's kind of empty, and I'm going to be doing a new project with it in the new house. The crib came as a matching set with the dresser, again from Bye Bye Baby. I love the tufted headboard. It's so pretty. I also love how the gray pieces break up the pink in the room. The baby nest I got from Etsy. Again, you can do a baby nest instead of a DockATot and save you a couple of $100s. This was on my master baby essentials list video. I'll be sure to link that below as well. We went for a baby optics monitor, and so far I'm very happy with it. Another favorite of mine in the room is this very personalized touch I did over her bed. The gorgeous gold teaster and veil is actually my wedding veil. I wanted Gianna to have that love energy over where she rests her head as a reminder that she was created and born in love and marriage, and she has two parents that love her so very much. I also wanted to give some winks to the woman that I was before Gianna. That is a powerful energy as well. So this little Paris box is a throwback to one of my favorite places to go when I was single. Inside, I just put a cute little thrifted Louis Vuitton that she can play dress up with. On the other side of the room, I used a Perrier Jouet champagne bucket that I stole from a VIP section at a club. Again, a little wink to the fun that I once had as a single woman. Her closet's a little on the small side, but I'm able to get a lot of stuff in it. The rug we got from Target, I believe it was only $39, and it really just ties in the entire room. Although there's a ton of things I still wanted to do to this space, I believe in its current state, it's beautiful, feminine, and creates the perfect energy for my little baby goddess. If you enjoyed the nursery tour, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you would like to see more motherhood and lifestyle videos. Until the next one, bye!